Hey everyone, you're sitting on the couch, scrolling through your phone. You just got paid. Instead of heading to the bank, you wish you could simply deposit the check right there, from the comfort of your home. Well, today, we're going to find out if that's possible with Acorns. Can you mobile deposit on Acorns? Let's dive in and find out. What is Acorns? Before we get into the mobile deposit question, let's quickly recap what Acorns is. For those who are new to it, Acorns is a micro-investing app that makes investing super simple. It's designed to help you grow your wealth, even if you only have a few dollars to spare. How does Acorns work? Acorns uses a roundup feature. This means it rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. For example, if you spend $3.42, Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest the extra 58 cents. Mobile deposit, the basics. Now, let's talk about mobile deposit. In essence, mobile deposit is a feature that allows you to deposit checks using your smartphone. It's a convenient way to avoid trips to the bank. Can you mobile deposit on Acorns? The short answer is no. Acorns doesn't currently offer mobile deposit as a feature. It's primarily focused on micro-investing and doesn't have the infrastructure in place to handle check deposits. Why doesn't Acorns offer mobile deposit? There could be a few reasons why Acorns hasn't implemented mobile deposit. Focus on micro-investing. Acorns' core mission is to make investing accessible to everyone. Mobile deposit might require additional resources and could potentially distract from their main goal. Regulatory hurdles. Implementing mobile deposit could involve navigating complex regulations and compliance requirements, which can be time-consuming and expensive. Technical challenges. Integrating mobile deposit into the Acorns app might require significant technical development and could introduce potential security risks. Alternatives to mobile deposit on Acorns. If you're looking for a way to deposit checks conveniently, here are a few alternatives to consider. Traditional banks. Most banks offer mobile deposit as a feature. You can simply take a photo of your check and deposit it directly through your bank's app. Online banks. Online banks like Ally Bank and Charles Schwab often have mobile deposit features as well. Mobile payment apps. Some mobile payment apps like Venmo and Cash App allow you to deposit checks by taking a photo of them. Conclusion. So, to answer the question, can you mobile deposit on Acorns? Unfortunately, not at this time. Acorns is primarily designed for micro-investing and doesn't offer mobile deposit as a feature. However, there are plenty of other options available, including traditional banks, online banks, and mobile payment apps. You can find a solution that best suits your needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.